Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I want to talk about how I'm going to be using Instagram TV in my business. So anytime there's a new platform or something's new on a platform, you want to jump on it. It's kind of like a golden opportunity. Not everyone's using it yet, so you're going to have a chance to have a lot more visibility. So instead of just adding one more thing to your plate, I want to show you what I'm going to do so I'm actually repurposing content and working smarter, not harder, because I don't want to add another thing to my plate. So I already have an Alexa skill where I'm doing voice audio every single day of the week. So I thought, what if I just did my voice audio and Instagram TV at the same time? So I have GarageBand open, I'm recording my Alexa skill, I'm recording the Instagram TV video, and I'm also gonna take this video and put it on YouTube and put it on Facebook. I'll probably put it on my blog too, I haven't decided yet. But I want you to think about what content are you already creating, and could you repurpose that and work smarter, not harder? So if you're not on Instagram TV yet, you probably should jump on. It's a really good opportunity right now for you to get some more visibility in your business. So that's it for me today. If you want more tips to build your business, make sure to grab my free Pinterest cheat sheet. Just go to she'smakinganimpact.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.